The EUGAL pipeline will secure the supply of energy across Central Europe in the future. In 2019, it is the most important new construction project in Germany. The pipeline covers a distance of 480 kilometers from the Baltic Sea, passing through 3 pipeline stations before reaching the Czech Republic. The large pipe diameter of 1.4 meters poses significant challenges. The construction process is further complicated by the very short construction phases and the large number of crossings, such as rivers, roads and railways. DEKOTEC GmbH provides comprehensive in-house solutions for the EUGAL pipeline. Products for field joint coating, pipe coating, complex fittings and repairs, all from a single source. The particular challenge in terms of the construction of the EUGAL pipeline is a large number of crossings of roads, rivers, railway lines, natural conservation areas and other highly sensitive areas. At this site, the major challenges are the pipe diameter of 1.4 meters, the short time frame and the strict environmental constraints. The short construction time is only possible if one uses products of the highest quality that can be applied easily and efficiently. In the last 7 to 9 years, we have seen an increase in efficiency of around 30 to 40%. DEKOTEC has been a reliable partner in many international products, as well as in Germany with the OPAL and NEL projects. Now, the company is protecting the EUGAL pipeline against corrosion. The company offers a wide product range that is easy to apply and ensures an excellent standard of quality. That's why we use DEKOTEC products. The butylene 2-tape system is very popular in large pipeline construction, as it guarantees simple application across an excellent standard of quality. Application machines such as the DEKOMAT 11 ensure simple, reliable and efficient application of the butylene tapes. We achieve daily performance rates of between 40 and 50 field joints with the DEKOMAT 11, and we're sure that even these numbers could be improved upon. DEKOTEC offers all of the products that are important for pipeline station construction. Liquitol SU45 is an excellent corrosion prevention solution for fittings and is unlike anything that has come before it. Liquitol FK2C is brilliant for repairing defects. Plastilane Plast has been around for a very long time and works exceptionally well with molded parts and fittings that are difficult to access. DEKOTEC provides everything you need, all from a single source.